I just made a video. I was about to take a shower. I just got home from wrestling, like I said in my previous video. I was walking. 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 Open this. What you doing, buddy? What you doing? Towels. And then cat. I almost grabbed him for a towel. I almost grabbed him for a towel. I would have been weird. Like, extremely weird. Like, why is this towel why is this towel hissing? Why is it orange? I don't remember us having an orange towel. Well, hit subscribe. Come on, say today. Hit that like. Comment what I should do for my next anime talk, because probably not a lot of people want to watch that. I'm just gotta check something real quick. Okay. And subscribe. Become a slayer today. Bottle water. Water flavored.